Hello guys! Magkano daw ang rate ng HD nurse dito sa Texas? So before ko sagutin yan, there are two types of HD nurses dito. One is acute and the other one is chronic. And in this video, I will be talking about chronic HD nurse. So way back 2017 when I was hired, the offer was $27 per hour. That time, hindi ko alam kung mababa ba yun or something. I was just thinking na gusto ko lang pumunta ng US, so I grabbed the offer. So nag-take ako ng NCLEX, IELTS, and then the immigration process. After that, yung embassy interview, sabi sa akin, mababa daw yung offer, but I was still approved, na-issue pa rin yung visa. So nung dumating ako dito sa US, sinabihan ko yung employer ko about it, and the recruiter said something like, ay oo nga, mababa. So they increased it like by $5. And this was year 2022 when I arrived here in the States. So pansin ko, nasa $32 to $35 per hour as entry-level international hired HD nurse dito sa Texas. Tapos, tataas naman yung rate nyo habang tumatagal yung experience nyo sa company. Pero pag dito na kayo sa States nag-apply, mas mataas siya. Nasa mga 40 plus ang starting. Yung sa acute HD naman, they usually have higher rates, like maybe $5 to $10 difference. Basta yun guys, pagdating nyo dito, tataas yung rate nyo, don't worry.